Hello everyone. So this this is my first class for class 10 student. It's maths class and today's topic is linear inequation. In this chapter we shall learn how to solve algebraically linear inequation in one variable and writing the solution in set notational form. And in this chapter we'll also learn the representation of solution set on the number line also. Okay, now let us start. So what is linear equation? Before that we have to know what is equation. Now in previous classes I hope you have learnt about what is equation, right? You have solved equations with one variable, you have solved equations with two variables with different methods like substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. So here in this chapter we'll discuss about inequation with one variable and we'll solve them and we'll find out the solution set and we'll represent the set or the solution on the number line. Now when I say inequation, before that let me revise you something, that is, see here, it's an equation, linear equation with one variable. And if you see this, you can remember that you have already solved this kind of one variable equation and you have to find out the value of the variable. And this is a type of two linear equations with two variables. And you have solved it with the different methods like I said before. Now, when I say inequalities, we use this 4 signs. Why? Because if it is not equal or if, then it will be either greater or lesser or greater than equals to or less than equals to. Now let's move on. Now we'll discuss what is inequalities among real numbers. So when a is less than b, how we'll write it? A with using this sign. Now when it will be a is less than b, if and only b minus a greater than 0 or positive. How? When I say 3 less than 5, it means, why I am saying 3 less than 5? Because 5 minus 3 is equals to 2, which is greater than 0. That means positive. That is why 3 less than 5. So a is less than b if and only b minus a greater than 0 or positive. Now when a is less than or equal to b, that is a, this sign, a less than equals to b, if and only if b minus a is either positive or 0. Means, let me give you one example. Minus 3 less than equals to 5. See, 5 minus minus 3 equals to 8, which is greater than 0. Now 4 by 7 less than equals to 4 by 7. Why? Because 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7 equals to 0. Now when we'll do the sums, we'll solve some sums, then it will be clear to you. So when I say a is greater than b, how I write it? A greater than b if and only a minus b greater than 0. Now how? I say 4 greater than 1. Why I am saying 4 greater than 1? Because 4 minus 1 equals to 3, which is greater than 0. Now when I say a is greater than equal to b, written as a greater equals to b if and only either a minus b equals to 0 or a minus b greater than 0. Now you just see the example, okay? Because when we'll solve the sums, it will be very clear to you. Now from this 4 remarks, what we can conclude is linear equation are of 4 types. Ax plus b greater than 0, or ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than equals to 0, or ax plus b less than equals to 0. That means 4 signs we are using here: less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to. Now when these equations are solvable, when a and b are real numbers and x is not equals to 0, then only we can say that it's an equation, right? Now to solve this, you have to learn, to solve linear equation, you have to learn two kinds of set. One is replacement set and another is solution set. Now what is replacement set? The set from which values of the variable involved in the equation are chosen. When I'll give you the example, you will be clear about it. Now just learn the definition, that what is replacement set? The set from which values of the variable involved in the equation are chosen. Now what is solution set? The set of all solutions of an equation is solution set. Now how? Let me give you an example. Here what I have written, x less than 5. That means whatever when 5. Now you do. Sorry. When I write x less than 5, that means the values of x equal less than 5. Now you don't need to worry that replacement set will be given. Then only we can find out the solution set. Otherwise we cannot. Okay. So what is the replacement set I have given here? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 7, 9. So this is the replacement set from where I will find out the values of x. Now what will be my solution set? So I will find out such numbers from here which are less than 5. That will be my solution set. So what are the lesser numbers? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. See, that's what I have written. Now if x less than equals to 5 and solution set is given this, -3, -1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what will be my solution set? -3, -1, 0, 3, 4 and 5. Why 5? Because here the equals to